5 класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, страница 80. English, Spotlight 5, Weekends, Homework page 80. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly. It's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 80. 80. Weekends. Выходные дни. Activities. Exercise number 1. What are the people in the pictures from 1 to 7 doing? Use the prompts to make sentences. Что делают люди на картинках 1-7? Используйте подсказки, чтобы составить предложение. The answer. She is writing emails. He is planting flowers, walking in the garden. He is planting flowers, walking in the garden. They are washing the dog. She is playing with a friend. She is drinking coffee. She is making a phone call. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Listen and read Rose's email. Which picture shows Rosie? Which show the other members of her family? Послушайте и прочитайте, что написала Рози в своей электронной почте. Какие картинки показала Рози? Что она сообщила об остальных членах своей семьи? The answer. Hi, Linda. Thanks for your email. How are you? I'm doing my homework. How boring. All the family are here and are busy too. Mom's in the living room. She is making some phone calls. Dad's working in the garden. It's hard work. My little brother, Tom, is helping him. He's planting some flowers. My sister Zoe is having a good time, though. She's playing games with her friend. What are you doing? Any plans for Sunday? Write back soon. Love, Rosie. The answer. Rosie, picture number 1. Dad, picture number 2. Tom, picture number 3. Zoe, picture number 5. Mom, picture number 7. Boys and girls, my dear friends, we must do exercise number 3, letter A. Which sentences can be begin and which can end an email? Какие предложения могут начинать Б? А какие могут заканчивать И? Электронное послание. That's all for now. E. Great to hear from you. Drop me a line. Exercise number 3, letter B. How does Rosie begin and end her email? Как Рози начинает и заканчивает свое электронное письмо? Beginning. Thanks for your email. How are you? Ending. Write back soon. Speaking. Exercise number 4. Which of the activities in the pictures do you, your family do at home at the weekend? Use adverbs of frequency. Что из изображенного на картинках вы или ваша семья делаете в выходные? Используйте наречие частотности. The answer. My sister often writes emails when she has a free minute. My dad never plants flowers, but he always works in the office. My grandma always walks in the garden at weekends. Sometimes we wash the dog at weekends. My brother always plays with his friends at weekends. I always drink coffee in the weekend morning. My mom often makes telephone calls at weekends. Exercise number 5. Write a short email to your friend about what you and your family are doing at home today, from 50 to 60 words. You can use the email in exercise number 2 as a model. Напишите короткое электронное письмо своему другу о том, что вы и ваша семья делаете дома сегодня. 50-60 слов. Ты можешь использовать электронное письмо из упражнения 2. The answer. Hi, Tom. Thanks for your email. How are you? I am tidying my room. How boring. All the family are here and are busy too. My father is reading a book at the moment. My mother is cooking dinner now. She cooks well. And my brother is listening to music. He loves rock music. What are you doing? Any plans for the weekend? Drop me a line soon. Misha. My dear friends, the lesson is over. Goodbye.